Hi kids. I'm going to go through the rubric for you for the Mi Vida en Cuarentena. I'll explain what to do with the Flipgrid and how to make your project. And then if you have any questions, you can send me an email. Okay, so the title of it is called Proyecto, Mi Vida en Cuarentena, My Life in Quarantine. You'll use the imperfect subjunctive. So you're going to make a Flipgrid describing your quarantined life. Use or include a greeting, who you are, how you feel, where you are, and who you are with, and what you're doing to keep busy. Include sentences with the imperfect subjunctive. Your sentences can use a trigger plus K plus a change of subject, but make sure that your trigger is in the past tense, and then your subjunctive should be in the imperfect subjunctive. You can use a C clause. You can use a polite request or an as if sentence. All of this information is in your note packet, and I gave you a lesson last week on this information we practiced. Be sure to use varied vocab, record your project on Flipgrid, and show objects that are relevant to your sentences, include a conclusion, and say goodbye. So the project is due on Tuesday, April 7th, and I'll proofread your sentences if you want me to, and I'll have them finished by 10 a.m. on Tuesday, but only if you have them done on Monday at 3 p.m. So they have to be done at 3 p.m. on Monday, because if not, I'm not sure I'll have enough time to look at them, and I can't guarantee that it'll be done by Tuesday. But if you do have it done by Monday, 3 p.m., I'll be sure to proofread them for you and give you any suggestions. So to do your video, to make your video, here are the links for period 4, 5, and 6, and this is the code. So right here, that's the code that you can put into your phone. If you download the app onto your phone, then you can walk around your house and make the video. Here's where you'll get your points. To include all of these things, you'll get 3 points for a greeting and everything else we already mentioned. Have at least 2 sentences using the imperfect subjunctive. It should be pretty easy for you to get at least 2 sentences. I did 3 in my example. Make sure that you use the imperfect subjunctive structures that are in your notes. Make sure that your answers include creative reasons for where, what, why, and uses varied vocab. Please don't tell me about the beach. Don't use the word interesante or divertido. These are overplayed. So try something different for excitement. And then the last thing is have a goodbye. And then make sure that your speech is natural and continuous. You can label your items if you want, or you can use a note card, but don't read your project. If you need a little note card, just glance down and look at every once in a while, that's okay, but I don't want you to read your project. It's out of 16 points, and it is due on Tuesday. Here's the example. These are my example sentences that I did in my presentation, and you can watch my Flipgrid and you'll hear me say these sentences here. Okay, so if you have any questions, send me a note, send me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, have a good day.